Good morning, students. Today we are going to start next chapter, part 1, chapter 8, that is Introduction to Maps. Students, you know Earth is very vast and we need some tools to study this huge planet. So we use globe and maps to study. You have read in earlier classes about the advantages of a globe. Globe is a model of the Earth. Globe has a limitations as well. A globe can be useful when we want to study the earth as a whole part. But when we study only a part of the earth as about our country, India, states, districts, towns and villages, it is a little help. So globe does not show all details of the earth. In such a situation we use map. So map give detailed information than globe. Map. A map is a visual representations. Representations means something that shown of an entire area or part of an area, usually on a flat surface. Surface means the outside part of something drawn according to a scale. Scale is a tool used measuring the earth. Maps are easy to carry and store. They can be folded and kept in small spaces. Maps give detailed information about an area. There are three most common types of maps are physical map, political map, thematic map. Physical maps depict the physical features of an area like a mountain, rivers, plateaus, seas, plains, oceans, etc. Physical map of India. You see the northern part of India. It is called the crown of India because the great Himalayan range. If you clearly observe the map of India, in the southern part of India, it's like a cone shape. It is also called the cone shape of India. The southern part of India also called the peninsular because it is surrounded by three water bodies. Three water bodies are in the east side Bay of Bengal, southern side Indian Ocean, west side Arabian Sea. Political map of India. Political maps show the different countries of the world along with their capitals and state boundaries. In political map, there are shown 29 states of India and 7 union territories. The neighboring countries of India also share their borders with India. Neighboring countries are Pakistan, Nepal, China, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar. Sri Lanka is also a neighboring country of India, but it's not sharing their border with India because of water body. Thematic map. Thematic map is based on theme, a particular feature such as a forest, agriculture, industrial map, etc. Thematic map give us special information about a particular area. You can see in the atlas book, there are given some examples of a thematic map. If you want to know which area of part of India grown a coffee and tea, you can see in the reference there are given some color and symbols. Help of these you can see in the which part of India grown a coffee and tea. The atlas book is a collection of maps. Student, next part, second part, we will discuss about the map study elements. Thank you.